Good day. Today our topic is patent application process. You may identify any novel devices or new devices for particular applications, and then how can we apply or getting patent rights from government. Let's see what all the procedures are available with the patent filing and getting the grant from patent office of any government. Here, the steps that are involved in patent filing. First one is abstract writing. After that, sketch the invention with the replacement sheet. After that, claims writing. Then forms submission to the patent office, and we can collect the feedback from examination report of patent office, and then receive the patent rights from patent office. So these are all the steps which are available with the patent granting. So how can I write the abstract? For example, if I consider any invention, then every invention should have the components, assembling of components with each other, so that I have to have give the part name for the particular part, and also I assign the number for that particular part with the aid of functions. For example, a identified device includes shank part and a main body. I can tell one example. Your identified device may be with the shank and the main body means shank may be the part name and the part number is 1. The main body is the another part name and the part number is 2. The shank part 1 is configured to removably mount the identified device onto a machine tool. If suppose I identify any one machine tool component means I can write the abstract I like this, okay, because if I have n number of component with my invention means I can write the abstract with the aid of n number of part number and n number of part name with the detailed functions of every part. So abstract writing is the first step. After writing the abstract, we can move to draw the sketch, which means if we consider any machine tool or machine tool component means I can draw with the applicant name. After that, application number. What is the application number? I have to have submit to the patent office. From patent office I can get the application number. After that, how many number of sheets are available with my drawing details. After that I can tell if suppose I may have 6 number of sheets to explain my component means I can represent all the drawing views with every sheets, so that according to this example which has 6 sheets, so that in first sheet I represented as like sheet number 1 of 6. Here I mention all the components as like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Likewise, I give the name to the part that are available with my invention, which is the example. After that, after completing the replacement sheet, we can move to claim writing. How can I write first claim? Always we started with the first claim. So first claim always demonstrates about the structure of our invention with the assembly details, and every component in assembly will delivered with the part number. So here you see n number of parts, which means here there are 10 numbers are available. The 10 numbers how the assembly is making to us with each other. Likewise, I can deliver the component with the first claim. For example, identified novel device comprising a device part 1. Yes, the device part 1 removably mounting the component onto a machine tool. So which can be removable from the machine tool, so that I can make the taper like component, so that I can write as like a device part 1. The part 1 is the taper part. That part number 1 for removably mounting the component onto a machine tool, which has the part 1. The part 1 is named as shank, so that the boarding bar shank part 1 detachably mounted on one end. Here you see which is detachable, I can remove from the main body, so that I utilize the word as like detachable. So detachably mounted on one end to a main body. Here you see the third part is main body, so that I can write as like detachably mounted on one end to a main body. Why, how do I connect? Yes, 2 and 3 are the fasteners, so that I can utilize fasteners for joining the main body with the shank. Likewise, we may write the claim clearly. After that, other claims, not only one claim our invention has. Okay, it may have different claims, so that every claim we should write carefully. So other claims should follow the first claim. All claims should follow the first claim with assembly details like fastening with the bolt and threads. Likewise, I may write the second claim. After that, I can move to third claim. In third claim, based on adjustment, what are all the adjustment devices I placed for making a component moving one place to another place, so that I can, here I can represent adjustment. How much of precision and accuracy it gives for its entire performance, I can represent with the how much of precision and accuracy we can collect from inventor setup. Likewise, I can write the claims with the claim form. After that, how can we utilize not only with the adjustment, not only with the fastening, and I can write how can I utilize that device with the other application area also, so that how can we utilize this developed setup for various applications. If for example, if you consider the identified device as claimed in claim 1, already I told you how to write the claim 1. So that claim 1, wherein the machine tool is selected from the group consisting one or more of a lathe, a shaping tool and a drilling tool, so that this tool can be used in a lathe, and it can be used in other machines also, like a shaping machine and a drilling machine. Likewise, we can write the claim. After complete the claim writing, we can move to form submission. What are all the forms needed to submit the patent office? Let's see. I can show you the form to be submitted in patent office. First, I can type the address as like ipindia.gov.in forms and fees. Here the in Google search engine I type, after that I get like forms and fees details. Here the forms, there are a lot of forms available. You see here from form 0 to form 30 up to 30 is available. Here what all the forms are important to submit the patent? Yes, first form fees, first fees explains about what are all the fee structures available on application for a patent under section 754 or 135 and rule 20 of 1, accompanied by provisional or complete specification, means number of the relevant form, which is 1 for natural parent or startup or small entity. What about your category of submission? You may select. For this condition, you may utilize the amount of 1600 rupees. Okay, after that there is second case is available 8000 rupees. Other than, which is small entity or startup, others I can consider alone or with the natural persons or startup or small entity, means I can apply with the 8000 rupees. Likewise, lot of fee structures are available with the patent office website, you can go and refer. After that, the next form, the form 1 needed, form 2, form 3 and form 5 are essential for submitting the patent grant in a patent office. So that first form is described about application for grant of patent. So form 1 looking like form 1, the application for patent grant. Here you see, you can write what is the applicant name and the filing date, According to your studied fee structure, you may enter about amount of fee paid. After that, you may sign the applicant's reference. What is your name? You can represent your name and the type of application. What is the type you utilized for apply the patent and applicants? For example, your name and nationality, country of residence, address of the applicant. Likewise, you can fill. Okay. After that, you categorize your application small entity, startup, or otherwise other than these. Okay. And then inventors. What are all the inventors that associated to make the component? You may list their names because a number of persons may contribute to develop the invention, means you may fill their name also in the area. After that, you may mention the title of the invention here. After that, who is the authorized registered patent agent. After that, you may prescribe address for service of applicant in India. Likewise, you may fill the form 1 in through form 1 in the patent office document. After that, after that, after that, you may move to next form. The next form, which is categorized by provisional and complete specification. In that, what are all the details you needed? The form 2 is always concentrated about the Patent Act 1970, the Patent Rules 2003, but it concentrated about provisional or complete specification. Here you represent your title of the invention and applicant's name. You may produce the component with n number of persons. You may develop the product with your student also, or otherwise your colleague also, so that you can mention all their names with the form here, applicants. After that, preamble to the description, you may give the description about the provisional details of your invention and complete details. Already I told about how to write the abstract and how to write the claims. And likewise, you may fill the form. Okay, and then claims and the date and the sign. Abstract of the invention, already I told about abstract to write the invention. Likewise, you may follow here. The form 2 helps to write your abstract and claims in forms. After that, you may fill the form 3. The form 3 is related with the statement and understanding under section 8. So form 3 has the details as like statement and undertaking under section 8. Here also you may mention name of the applicant. Here you may declare your rules and regulation according to Indian government. You may apply the same patent grant in Australian government or United States patent. Likewise, you may differ, but you can declare your contribution and name, address of nationality of the joint applicants also with the form 3. After completing the form 3, you can move to form 5, not needed for request for extension of time with the first initial itself, so that you can move to form 5. Form 5 always deals with the declaration as to inventorship. Okay, the form 5, the declaration as to inventorship. Likewise, it has the format. In that format, the first row has the name of the applicant and the inventor details. Whatever those who are inventing the component, you may mention their name, and you can carefully read the statement what they provided, and you may sign in that document also. So form 1, 2, 3, 5 are essential to submit the patent grant. After completing these, you should request the publication. So after applying the patent, your details is published with the Indian Patent Office journal. So you should give the request for publication with the form 9. Here also you may give your name, address and nationality details of the applicant and the respective person's signature also. So these are all the important documents that are needed in the time of application, time of applying the patent document to the patent office. The patent documentation here only not here only completed. We can move to after completing the form 9, we can move to the form 18. In form 18, it describes about a request for examination. If you are submitting the patent to patent office, means they are not only granted, they are examining your invention details. They compare your invention with the other country person's invention and our country person invention also. If any similarity occurs, means they are asking you a question according to your claim writing, they are asking you your questions, you should answer with the lawyers. Okay, here these are all the rules followed by our Indian government, so you should follow the details with the request for examination, and also you submit the request for examination of applications for a patent to patent office. So this form 18 also important during the submission of patent to patent office. So now you are aware about what are all the documents that are required to submit the patent or invention to the patent office. After accepting all the associated things, the patent office intimate you through intimation letter. With that letter is named as intimation of the grant and the recordal of patent under section 43 of the act in respect of patent application number as per your number. Okay, likewise they are intimate you in that form, they are prescribed or they give the details with the patent number, name of the applicant, date of patent, priority date, number of claims that you are wrote with your application, they are mentioned, and finally the grant of, like the grant of above mentioned patent will be published in the official journal of the patent office under section 43 of the act. Likewise they are give the grant to you. Likewise, the patent office follows, and the patent grant looking like the first one is product patent right, the second one is design patent right, and the third one is Australian patent, other country patent also possible with the Indian government approval. So these are all the steps are available with the patent filing and the patent grant. Thank you all. If you are having any doubt, you may ask me through comment box. Thank you all.